morning students. Today we are going to study about sources of food. It is chapter 1 for class 6 science. So let's study what is food and what is sources of food. So first of all we will see what is food. Food क्या होता है? What is food? Food is the material or substance that we eat. Anything that we eat in our daily life is called as food. जो भी चीज़ें हम डेली खाते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? फूड बोलते हैं. So food means the material or substance that we eat is called as food. Now why do we need food? Why do we need food in our daily life? Let's see. Why do we need food? We need food for different reasons or different purposes, which helps in our daily life, which help in our daily activities, which help in many of the things. First we will see that we need food for energy. Food gives us energy and we need energy for doing our different activities in our life. Second, it helps in the growth and development. Growth and development. Food not only gives you energy but it helps in the growth and development of the body. Third, it protects us from diseases. Proper intake of food will help you to protect from diseases. Different types of diseases that we suffer from, food helps us to recover from that diseases. Now fourth one is it helps us to heal from injuries. Food helps the body to recover or to heal from the injuries. अगर हमें किसी भी तरह की चोट लगती है तो फूड क्या करता है? बॉडी को एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करता है, बॉडी को हेल्प करता है कि हम उस इंजुरी से क्या कर पाएँ? हील कर पाएँ. सो इट हेल्प अस टू हील फ्रॉम इंजुरीज. एंड द फिफ्थ वन इज फॉर reproduction. Food helps us to reproduce or for reproduction. In order to reproduce, in order to generate, we need food. So here we have seen what is food. That is the material or substance that we eat in our daily life. And why do we need food in our daily life? We need food for energy, for growth and development. It protects us from diseases, helps to heal injuries, and fifth is for reproduction. Now we will see what are the different food varieties. There are different types of foods. We all know that there are different types of food. There are the foods that we get from plant. There are the foods that we get from animals, right? Rice, wheat, dairy products, or poultry products. These are the different varieties of food that we eat in our daily life. Food ingredients. What do you mean by food ingredients? Ingredients means substance or material used to prepare food is called as food ingredient. जो भी सामान हमें फूड बनाने में लगता है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? फूड इंग्रेडिएंट्स बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी विल सी राइस. In order to prepare rice, you will need rice grains and water. चावल बनाने में हमें क्या क्या दो चीज़ें लगती हैं? राइस ग्रेन, चावल के दाने और पानी. तो ये दोनों चीज़ें क्या हो जाएंगी? फूड इंग्रेडिएंट्स. Okay, so we have seen what is food, why do we need food, and what are food ingredients. Now we'll move forward with food eaten by animals. Food eaten by animals. Different animals eat different types of food. Some depend upon plants, while some depends upon other animal for their food. So based on this category, we have divided animals into three parts. First, herbivorous. Second is carnivorous. And third is omnivorous. There are three categories of animals based on the foods eaten by them. First is herbivorous, second is carnivorous, and third is omnivorous. Herbivorous means what? Herbi means plants. Herbi means plants and vorous means eaters. So the animals who only eat plants are called as herbivorous. जो भी जानवर सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्लांट पे डिपेंड करते हैं या सिर्फ प्लांट्स खाते हैं, उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? हर्बीवोरस बोलते हैं. नाउ कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट, दैट इज कार्निवोरस. एज वी नो, वोरस रिप्रेजेंट ईटर्स. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कार्नी? कार्नी मीन्स मीट. So the animals who eat meat or other animals as their food are called as carnivorous. Now coming to third, omnivorous. Omni means all. All means both plant and animal. The animals who eat both plant and other animals are called as omnivorous. The animal who only eat plants are called as herbivorous. The animal who only depend upon meat or other animals are called as carnivorous. And the animal who depend upon both plants as well as meat or other animals are called as omnivorous. Now we will move forward with sources of food. Plants are the only source of food that produce their food by itself, while the rest of the animals including human being depends upon the plants or other animals for their food. Now there are two sources of food. First we get from plant and second from animals. Sources of food. First source of food is plant and second source of food is animal. Plant produce their own food and the other animals or human beings depends upon the plant for their food. Now plant provides us with different things. First is plant provide us with cereals, second with pulses, vegetables, fruits, oil. There are different varieties of products that has been provided to us by plants. There are different parts of plants which provide us with foods. First is root, stem, leaves, etc. are the parts of the plant that provide us with food. Coming to next, edible parts. What do you mean by edible plants? The part of the plant that we eat are called as edible parts or edible plants. The part of the plant that we eat are called as edible parts, and plants are also known as producers. Why plants are known as producers? Plants are known as producers because they prepare their own food. Because they prepare their own food. That is why plants are also called as producers. Now coming to next, source of food from animals. Source of food from animals. From animals we can get lot of or variety of products. We can get milk or milk products, दूध या दूध से बनी चीज़ें, एग, मीट, fish, etc. are the varieties of food that we get from animals. But it is basically divided into dairy product and poultry products. What is dairy product? Dairy products are the products including milk or milk products. Then what is poultry products? The products which are rich in protein are called as poultry products. So students, in the sources of food we have seen what is food, why do we need food, what are the food ingredients, food eaten by animals and the sources of food. I hope you would have understood the chapter very well. Thank you.